House Cleaning Service Search Engine Optimization is the ultimate SEO course for house cleaners who want to get their website ranking in Google and Bing in 2023. It's SEO that anyone can master. No learning to code, no buying expensive SEO tools, no spending hours blogging, no begging other websites for links, no struggling to maintain social media profiles, no studying to become a master in creating YouTube videos. Simply follow the course, screenshot by screenshot by screenshot. You'll learn how to choose a website provider that is secure and SEO friendly. You'll learn how to create a search engine optimizable website from scratch that Google and Bing will love. You won't need to know any coding, and you won't need any experience. You'll learn how to structure a website so Google and Bing can find their way around and discover all your content. You'll learn image preparation, how to source, prepare, and add images to your website the SEO way. With these key foundations in place, we'll then cover search engine optimizing the key elements of each page, and creating text content that actually works. And you will be able to do it all by simply following our step-by-step screenshots. No coding needed, no experience required. But how will you know if your SEO is really working? The course also includes how to monitor your website 24/7 365, how to track your SEO progress over time, and how to spot further opportunities that you can build on. Now you'd think that's a pretty comprehensive course, right? But there is even more. We'll show you how to get your business everywhere on the internet for free, how to get online reviews easily, and how to navigate social media without becoming a slave to it. So what's not in the course? There's no black hat SEO. We won't recommend any practices that could get your website penalized by Google or Bing. We won't be trying to sell you another course or masterclass. Everything you need is in this one course. We won't be pushing you to buy products where we get a kickback. We do recommend certain paid brands and services because they work, not because we get cash when you use them. We won't be trying to hard sell you our SEO services. After you finish the course, you won't need them. By the end of this course, you will be SEO wise and SEO savvy. So you won't be an easy target for cowboy search engine optimizers or snake oil salesmen who promise the world but disappear with your cash instead. So get the internet working for your house cleaning service with SEO for house cleaners. An SEO course from Link to Light.